Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the life, career, and legacy of one of the most captivating and fearless actresses of our generation, Florence Pugh. From powerful indie dramas to the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and from red carpet statements to cultural influence, Florence has redefined what it means to be a modern day star. Get ready for an inspiring journey through her evolution, achievements, and the fierce spirit that drives her. Early life and artistic roots. Florence Rose C. M. Pugh was born on January 3, 1996 in Oxford, England. Raised in a creative family, her mother a dance teacher and her father a restaurateur, Florence was the third of 4 children. Her siblings also pursued the arts, including actor and musician Toby Sebastian. Even from a young age, Florence displayed a profound emotional intelligence and a natural gift for storytelling. She spent some of her childhood in Spain, which contributed to her unique accent and early confidence in front of audiences. As a child, Florence faced health challenges, including tracheomalacia, a condition affecting her breathing. Despite these struggles, she never let her medical issues slow her down. Instead, they forged a resilient personality that would later be mirrored in the strong, often tormented characters she portrayed on screen. First steps into acting. Florence's passion for performance was evident early on. She starred in school plays and soon developed a strong ambition to act professionally. Her break came in 2014 when she landed a leading role in the British drama The Falling, alongside Maisie Williams. Her performance as Abby Mortimer, a rebellious and enigmatic teenager, was critically praised and marked her arrival as a serious talent. Florence brought a subtle intensity to the role that far surpassed expectations for a newcomer. The industry took notice, and soon she was fielding offers from both indie producers and larger studios. The quiet storm that was Florence Pugh had begun to build. Lady Macbeth and indie stardom. In 2016, Florence starred in Lady Macbeth, an adaptation loosely based on the Russian novella Lady Macbeth of the Msensk district. Her portrayal of Catherine, a young woman trapped in a stifling marriage who spirals into murder, was chilling, elegant, and utterly commanding. Florence brought both vulnerability and viciousness to the role, showcasing her emotional range. This role was a turning point. She won Best Actress at the British Independent Film Awards, and critics began comparing her to industry heavyweights like Kate Winslet and Meryl Streep. Breaking into Hollywood. Fighting with My Family. Florence's Hollywood breakout came in 2019 with the biographical sports dramedy Fighting with My Family, where she portrayed WWE wrestler Paige. Directed by Stephen Merchant, the film allowed Florence to display her comedic timing, physical grit, and emotional vulnerability. She trained extensively for the role and worked closely with Paige herself to accurately portray her journey. The result, a charismatic and heartfelt performance that made Holly would take serious note of Florence as a rising star. A queen of horror. Midsommar. In the same year, Florence took a drastic turn in tone with Midsommar, the surreal horror masterpiece directed by Ari Aster. Playing Dani, a grief-stricken woman slowly unraveling while trapped in a Swedish cult, Florence gave a performance that was equal parts terrifying and heartbreaking. Her work in Midsommar has since been considered one of the greatest horror performances of the modern era. It wasn't just her scream at the climax that haunted audiences. It was the depth, the pain, and the raw truth in her eyes throughout. Little Women and awards buzz as if 2019 wasn't packed enough. Florence ended the year with a standout role as Amy March in Greta Gerwig's Little Women. Florence redefined Amy, a character often criticized in past adaptations, transforming her into a multidimensional woman torn between love, ambition, and societal pressure. Her performance earned her an Academy Award nomination for Best Supporting Actress and a BAFTA nomination, solidifying her reputation as one of the most respected actors of her generation. Entering the Marvel Universe in 2021, Florence joined the Marvel Cinematic Universe as Yelena Belova in Black Widow, opposite Scarlett Johansson. Her sarcastic wit, emotional depth, and effortlessly cool action sequences made her an instant fan favorite. She later reprised her role in the Disney Plus series Hawkeye, proving her character wasn't just a one-off, she was here to stay. Fans are already anticipating her next Marvel appearances. Style icon and fashion taker Florence Pugh isn't just a force on screen, she's a fashion icon in her own right. Known for her bold choices and unapologetic confidence, she frequently stuns on red carpets around the world. She works closely with designers like Valentino, Miu Miu, and Rodart, and isn't afraid to wear looks that spark conversation. She has also used fashion as a platform for body positivity, refusing to be shamed or silenced for her bold body, celebrating outfits. Her message, wear what you want and own it. Personal life and public perception, Florence has often maintained a balance between being open and protective of her private life. Her relationship with actor and director Zach Braff became public in 2019 and was often discussed due to their age difference. Florence responded with maturity, urging fans and media to stop policing women's personal choices. She's been praised for her candor, integrity, and refusal to engage in toxic celebrity culture. Whether she's cooking on Instagram or speaking about body image in interviews, Florence Pugh stays real and her fans love her for it. Complex roles and recent projects, Florence has continued to take on challenging roles. She starred in Don't Worry Darling, alongside Harry Styles and The Wonder, a psychological period drama. Both films showed her commitment to nuanced, emotionally rich storytelling. Critics have pointed out how Florence can elevate even the most controversial or uneven projects with the strength of her performances. Awards, recognition, and industry respect in a short span of time. Florence Pugh has earned Academy Award, BAFTA, Golden Globe, and Critics' Choice Award nominations. She is regularly included in industry rankings of the most influential and talented young actors. Directors love working with her. Co-stars admire her work ethic. Audiences adore her. Florence is not just a name, she's a benchmark of excellence. The future of Florence Pugh, so what lies ahead for Florence Pugh? With upcoming roles in epic films like Dune, Part 2, and a rumored Marvel spin-off for Yelena, her career is only gaining momentum. But more than roles or awards, Florence's future is about continuing to challenge expectations, embrace vulnerability, and redefine strength on and off screen. Her story is still being written, but one thing's for sure, Florence Pugh isn't going anywhere. She is a once-in-a-generation talent whose legacy is just beginning. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the remarkable life and career of Florence Pugh. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more deep dive documentaries. And if you want to explore more about women shaping cinema, check out our playlist in the description.